So here we are showing the pharmacist, the man behind the prescription, the man with the right drug in his hand to the patients. So he is the one who is the safer organizes he which led the patients in a right medication. These are the pharmacies of hospital pharmacy, of drugstore pharmacy, of medical store pharmacies. Alright medication, alive. Alright medication, alive with a smile. So now the term is from the business executive, the medical representatives, the man who is the supply chain manager, who available the drug from the industry to the patient. He is the man behind the whole supply chain management of the medicine. He is the HR manager, he is the marketing executive, and he is the industrialist. So now the turn is the new era of IT. It's the corporate sector. As we all know, we have a branch named pharmacovigilance. Basically, this profession, the pharmacists are engaged in the advanced drug reactions. They used to survey the patient data through the softwares. So I cheer from the corporate ones. Now the time. We all are here from majority. These are the pharma professors. These are the academicians who made all these professions happen. These are the guiding light with the knowledge of book, with the knowledge of experience to their students for a better future. These are the backbone. Now we all know these are the highly decorated classroom officers. These are the drug inspector and food safety inspectors. So already know these are the decorated officers and gadgeted officers of Government of India under the UPSC category. Then the man behind the drug, the man behind the molecule, the man is the Avishkara, the R&D sector, the scientists who made a drug possible for a disease. With this testing and the molecules with the proper precision and reaction, he made a new drug. These are the scientists who lead us in a prestigious way. So now it's the time to call the man. Sorry for the wait, because the one who is waited is the most important one. He is the man who made the medicine. He is the industry person. With the gloves, with the drug, made a drug in the industry. From a small API agent to a particular dosage form, as syrup, as tablet, and capsule. He is the man behind the preparation of the drug. He is the industry person. He, from the preparation, from the quality control till the regulatory affair, there is a long chain of professionals in the industry in its case. And the all pyramid of the students and the professions era, gripping all sectors, from the IT, from the corporate, from the high regulated government jobs, from the company, and all the way from the community. Pharmacists are everywhere. Thank you so much. Please encourage these budding pharmacists in the professions of pharmacy a showcase.